Dear God, I know that the first step in all spiritual healing is to believe. I believe. I open my mind and heart believing in your infinite power and possibility. I believe that healing is a dynamic and reachable experience, a reality that can be experienced right now. I maintain a patient and loving attitude, for I believe that your healing activity is now at work in my mind and body. I look forward with joyful expectation to the perfect wholeness that you are now bringing into manifestation through me. I believe in your constant expression of perfect good and through me. I rest in the certainty of your healing power. I know that with you, all things are possible.